the boundless humility, the compassion, and the friendship that is Invictus.
People need to realize that they're not alone, that there is help that is available.
You discovered things about yourself you never knew, skills and abilities you didn't know that you had. You unlocked your potential and performance, and you understood the power of working as a team.
No matter what life throws at you, you just pick yourself up and just go for it.
It's not just a privilege to be here, it is an inspiration.
The spirit of Invictus is those who overcome and achieve things that they never thought that they would be able to.
We can do it!
The Invictus Games to me is telling the world that we are never beaten.
These individuals who have been at their lowest, now they want to serve again.
I should be dead, I shouldn't be here doing this. It's that sense of being alive, that's what it is to me.
It's great to have Invictus to be able to help us get back on our feet.
I get to spend more time with my dad. That's the most important thing.
They've seen a massive difference in me. Can't get any better than that, can it?
You just love this sport. I love it so much.
That was like a gold medal in itself, making them proud.
You, as a community, have overcome immense challenges, and together you are healing and teaching the world as you go.
It's changed my life, and to be at the Invictus Games, it's kind of full circle, so this one for me was the big one.
We've done what we come here to set out and do, and that was to do the journey, a recovery journey, and it was amazing.
You are all Invictus.
It's about showing the world what you can do in spite of your disabilities.
Live the dream, live the dream.